let's just touch briefly on the zoom tool. I know I've kind of went over this just a little bit already, but let's just dive a little bit deeper. So we have the zoom tool is the shortcut of Z, obviously for zoom, Z. Also, you can click down here to access the zoom tool. Clicking in, zooms in, holding down Option or Alt zooms out. And then also there's this nice feature of clicking and dragging up and down, which zooms in and out. I'll let you practice that on your own because it's a little hard to get the hang of. But so you click and then drag down, zooming in, dragging back up, clicking and dragging up, zooms out. Pretty fun. Okay, as we've mentioned before, if you do 100%, it makes it fill up nicely in your window and shows it at 100%. This works nicely for the shape of document that I have. But if you get into that really large, like iPad size, for instance, it's going to be pretty big, but it's nice to view things at 100%. I typically design only at 100%. And clicking that 100% button makes sure that it is 100% in size. Fit screen makes it fit in your screen, and then fill screen makes it fill up really big into your screen, which will, if you add an image, make it look pixelated, but you can just zoom right out by pressing Option and then clicking. So that's zooming out. Scrubby zoom, this thing up here, that's a pretty funny term. That is the term for the thing that is clicking and dragging to zoom in and out. Now, if you turn that off, it does this also a very interesting thing where you can click and drag and it will make this little box and it will zoom into where you made that box. So again, you can zoom out, go 100%, and then if I click and drag, it's going to make that box and it'll zoom right into that box. I actually like and prefer turning scrubby zoom off because I like that little box. I like knowing exactly where I can zoom right into. Once you get some elements on your page, it's really helpful to do that. But that's it for Zoom. That should be all you need to know. Please, though, if you have any additional questions on Zoom, go right into the question and answer feed discussion and ask away. Thanks.